Very good morning, my dear children. Welcome to the English class. It's a new day and a new topic for the day. Open straight to page number 99. The topic is called the House of Sand. Quickly write the date, which is 5.3.21. We will be doing the worksheet for the grammar book also for the day. So please keep all of this ready with you. Okay? Shall we begin? Let us begin. Now, as you can see, this is the house of sand. First of all, my dear children, there are no question answers from here. Only a storytelling like we did drone, correct? And we have also done some other topics like the grandfather. This is just a storytelling, good to know story for us. What do we mean a house of sand? Whenever we go to a beach, we play in the sand, which is just around the beach. The idea of making a sand castle or a sand house is beautiful. We enjoy doing it. We've all made it. This is just a story about it. So let us go ahead. The house of sand. Look at our fine house, cried Shaker. Cried means exclaimed or talked. He didn't really cry. It's the finest house on the beach, replied Baloo, and we made it. So friends Shaker and Baloo have made a sand house and they are themselves happy and pleased looking at how beautiful they have made the thing. The two boys sat on the sand and looked at the house. It was built of sand and palm leaves. Underline the word palm leaves. Palm leaves come from a palm tree, okay? And they are long leaves, and the house was built with either the sand or the palm leaves. The palm trees are mostly found in coastal region. Of course, we find it here also in our homes. We have to really take care of a palm tree, but the best suited weather is and the mud is of which is closest to the beach. There was a little wall all around it, like they have made, and a tall tower in the middle. So this is the house with the tower and the boundary wall. Okay, it's a good house, said Baloo. But look at the sea. The water is getting closer. Our house will be washed away. Underline the word washed. What is the meaning of this? When we make anything out of sand and when we are so close to the beach, the water from the sea or the ocean can just swipe away whatever we make out of mud because it is not very strong. Correct? You have studied kacha houses and pakka houses. Then we can make another one, said Shaker with a smile. Some weeks after this, Shaker went away. His parents sent him to a school high up in the hills. So Shaker and Baloo were friends. But what happens? Shaker's parents send him away to a new school, and Baloo, as is mentioned in the story, is left behind. So Shaker goes, maybe Shaker comes from a very good, well-off family. So they've sent him to a very expensive school. Okay? Can I go to father? Said Baloo to his father. No, my boy, you can't go. I am old. I have no money to send you away to school. So Shaker went away and Baloo stayed behind. Stayed behind means was living where he was. Baloo also wanted to go to a school like his friend, but Baloo's parents didn't have that kind of money. Okay, let's just read two more lines and then we will stop because we also have to do the grammar book. We will continue with the chapter in the next class as well of English. Baloo stayed by the beach. He went to a small school for a few years, but his family was poor. Baloo left school and went to work. So Baloo's family was so poor that he could not complete his education. See, my dear children, we are very privileged that mummy and daddy in this time also are giving us quality education. Times are difficult, yes, but they have not told us, okay, now you cannot go to school, you sit at home and cook for us. No, they haven't. So we also need to respect our parents, not do any of these things, and whatever little or whatever more they do for us, always be grateful and thankful to them. Okay, let's come to the book of grammar. This is page number, okay, this is page number 6565. Okay, now let us do the first question. First, quickly write the date. It is 5.3.21. Write the words, use suitable words from the given box. So your number names are given, but my children, you already know the number names. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90 and 100. Okay. So what are you going to do? You will quickly write the number name. You know the number name, so you don't really need to look at the clue box. Let's say 30. So I'm only doing 2 for you. 30. THIRTY 30. This is 35. So THIRTY 30. FIVE 5. Like this, complete the first part because this is something we have been doing and you're very well aware. How many words are there in the first limerick in your course book? What is the meaning of the word limerick? These are funny tales of words, and what it actually means is it's asking us in the first paragraph how many of those words are there in the first limerick in your course book. So there is ram, farm, cow, wow, harm. So we can roughly say there are 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6. How many words are there in the first limerick in your course book? So you can just count the limericks. This is words you have to count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. So how many words are there? Only you will write 30 in number name. Okay, 30. How many words are there in the second limericks? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34. Right? THIRTY 30 FOUR 4. How many children are there in your class? So you can write this that you have how many? 44. So write it 44. This F will be capital. Make sure you're not making a mistake. F here will be 44. Okay? I beg your pardon. You will write the correct spelling. Please write FORTY. 44. Okay? Now please finish this much. We come here. Talk about the calendar. It shows the month of the year. Quickly, today's date is 5.3.21, which is the first month. We have 12 months. Let's practice. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. Which is the first month? It is January. Then, How many months are there before June? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. So write 5. Which months have 31 days? Let's count. 1. So you'll have to write all the names here. So write start from January. February never has 31 days. March. Then May. Then July, August, October, December. Okay, these are the names. How many days are there in February? There are mostly 28 days. After 4 years, it is 29 days. Which month begins with the letter N? It is November. Which month were you born in? You can write your month here. Okay, you can ask mommy and daddy and write the month, see the spellings here and write it. This much you have to do. Okay, be ready and only do the correct things that I have shown you in the video. I'll see you back in the next class. Bye-bye.